Hey guys, this is Paul of Emerald Enclosures here, and I just got my dart frogs. So I'm going to be unboxing them so you guys can watch also. Not going to dilly-dally anymore. I opened up the top of my cage so it'd be a lot easier to get them inside. And I got priority overnight shipping. I got them here as quick as possible, so they should be just fine. Thank you for your order. Care Basics. They have this packaged so nicely. Packing gel. More packing gel. I'm guessing it's also used to keeping the temperature stabilized. Oh, and there they are. In two separate little containers. Oh, they're so small. One of them has a nice yellow sheen, the other one has a nice orange sheen. Alright, let's get them out of there. Alright, so how do I want to do this? For some reason I didn't expect them to be this small. I'd actually want to drain some of this water. Dart frogs are not the best swimmers. They really want to get out of here. I'm just going to untape both of them. They can get to around 1.5 inches, I think. At least that's what I've read. Yeah, when I get the chance, I'm going to drain out some of this water. Okay, so I'm just going to put the box in. Put the boxes in. And just open them up. Let the frogs come out on their own. There's one. And there's a second. I'm going to close this up because they can climb. And then I will turn on the lights. It's cute. And they're not so heavy that they'll destroy the plants. And there you have it. My new Dendrobate leucomelis poison dart frogs bumblebee breed. As I said, a little bit smaller than I originally thought, but they are adorable. And they actually have a pretty loud call, which I'm looking forward to seeing in a couple of months when they develop a bit more. And also, these guys are not poisonous because they're bred by breeders. They've never been exposed to the actual wilds. In the wild, they eat certain insects, which eat certain plants that... sorry, they're just cute. They eat certain insects that cause them to be poisonous. But while they're in captivity, that's not the case. Give them a bit of a spray. So it's about to get a little bit more cloudy in there. I just want to make sure it's really comfortable for them as they just came. And while we're at it, I figured I'd go over the plant growth. I'm glad I went with this color actually of frog because it stands out really, really nicely. And I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I've had quite a bit of a plant growth, especially with the wandering Jew there, along with the ivy in the back. It streams all across to the side of the tank. The wandering Jew back there, if you could see, it also started running in roots into the back and all throughout the log. You see there. Moss growth has been pretty nice. It's adapted. And as I said, I know that it's a bit hard to see. I just want the frogs to be comfortable. I also put some hardwood leaves in the back so that the worms will have something to eat and decompose along with the isopods. The Anubias has grown 2 new leaves, and moss has completely taken over the entire back waterfall because of the steady flow of nutrients. Yeah, I think these frogs are definitely the best way to go. I've heard that they're very bold and they don't hide very much. I just wonder where the other... Oh, I see him. He's in the back. But I'm quite happy with my purchase. The plants are doing well. The frogs should be doing excellent. I don't really see any problems. Just going to drain that water a little bit so that there's little chance of them drowning. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'll probably do another update every now and then on this tank, so please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will be getting back to you as soon as possible. See you later.